Okay, I am Pramod Joshi from Bangalore. We are from Prakrithi Group, wherein we manufacture various ancillary equipments for the plastic industry, starting from the industrial heaters. Then we also make the dies and mandrel, the belling machines, socketing machines, slotting machines for the piping. Then we also make the threading machines, automated CNC threading machines for the column pipes and all. And we are also into trading of SDP pipes, PVC pipes, and DWC pipes. We are basically we supply all over India, and also we are into exports. HIPLEX, yes, it's a good experience. May not be as big as our K-Plast in Düsseldorf, Germany, or Plast India, Delhi, and all. But yes, for South India, it's a good avenue for showcasing our products. Thank you.